More than 800 million people in the world are starving, and the consequences of climate change are intensifying the global hunger problem. We humans are now faced with the question of how we want to sustain future food security. To guarantee enough food for everyone, our agricultural system must produce more, and at the same time, we must use our cultivated land carefully so that we can still generate sufficient yields in the years to come. We thus need ways to sustainably secure our food supply. Currently, we obtain 90% of our calories from crops, with wheat, rice, and corn being the main suppliers. So we are convinced that one key to food security is to convert our crops to smart plants for tomorrow's needs. These smart plants can adapt to future crises such as drought and heat as a result of climate change. We scientists in plant research are trying to understand the molecular set screws in crop plants and turn them so that they become more productive and resilient. But there are also opportunities beyond our nowadays crops that offer a sustainable solution for the future. Most of our crops, like wheat, rice, and corn, are annuals, which means we must plow the field, sow seeds, and remove weeds every year. As a result, we are losing more and more soil from our farmland, weed killers are being applied, and ultimately we are putting our farmland at risk for subsequent years. So why not grow plants that stay in the field for longer? Such plants are called perennials, which means that they stay in the field for several years and produce fruits or grains every season. Their particularly well-developed root system allows them to hold erosive soil together and gives them access to water resources and nutrients that annual plants are unable to reach, which is also an advantage in the face of increasing heat and drought. Farmers no longer have to plow fields, reseed, and can apply fewer herbicides and fertilizers, so we can grow food in a more resource-efficient way. We plant scientists are working hard to understand what makes a perennial crop, how to produce high-yielding perennials, and how to use them in our agriculture. To stay in sustainable balance with our world, we need to produce more with fewer inputs, and we need to do it better than we have in the past. Plant research can contribute to this goal by developing smart plants like perennial crops for the challenges of tomorrow.